What's going on, everyone? So, last night, went to a couple car meets, had some fun, came back home, and I heard a weird scratching sound, like a rubbing sound, and turns out I had a tensioner pulley go out on me. So, we went to Advanced. I love Advanced. They got everything. Ooh. Picked up 2 tensioner pulleys because one went, so we might as well do the other one. These are the smooth ones and not the grooved ones. Let's see here. Yeah, we got 2 of them. Got a new belt, so we are going to replace these. Right in there. I'm pretty much just going to show you guys exactly how to do that. But, yeah, let's try and get this camera set up and knock it out. Got our supervisors here. Just so you guys know, our supervisors, they're on deck, so they're just here to make sure everything goes swell. Right, so this piece right here, 2 8mm. Oh. 2 8mm, and then this little clip just pops off. You got a little clip underneath, and then this comes right off. Bam. So you're gonna get your 1/2-inch ratchet right in the tensioner pulley. Just goes right in there. Push down, and this belt. Let me see if I can do this with my hand. Belt just comes right off. Bam. Oh. Come out. Hold on. Yeah, so if you have a ratchet that adjusts like this, I recommend using it because your coolant hose gets in the way, but other than that, this thing will just come right off from here. Get her out. Also, if you forget how this belt goes back on, my bad. If you forget how this belt goes back on, just search up a diagram online. There's plenty of them. I did the radiator yesterday. I smoked up my radiator drifting, and just replaced it yesterday. That wasn't too bad of a job. But yeah, this will come right out. Boom. Got a new one of these also, because we have a fray on here somewhere. I saw it. I don't remember where I saw it, but I saw it on here somewhere. Whatever. Alright. Now we can. Oof. I don't know if you guys can see this right here. It must have been out for quite some time yesterday while I was driving, and it rubbed a little groove in my back. Get that off. That looks like a 1314. Let's see what we got over here. Yep, 13 it is. Alright, so y'all definitely can't see this, but just grab on there with your 13mm. Oh no. Oh no. We're good. Camera's good. Are we good? Camera's good. That wasn't good, but let's see here. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, that works. Here, we're gonna go down a little bit. Bam. That's in your way. But yeah, just came right off. Wasn't too bad. Let's see. Holy smokes. With these pulleys that I got from AutoZone, you do need the stock washers. That should be alright. And that looks like a toasted bearing. This is a good bearing. Let's see here. Yep, no, it just came right off. Cool. Didn't see a washer on the other side of that, but I don't think that's a big deal. Grab this new one. Slap her on just like that. Then nothing washer. And then we are going to search up the torque spec because I don't know it off the top of my head. So just give me 1 second here. Alright, so it is saying it's 20 foot-pounds. I really don't know if that sounds like a lot or a little, but I kind of wanted to show you guys what the before and after was. Obviously mine broke, but this has two of them. If I can get this camera to, there we go. So this, it's not, honestly, this nut's not really even tight, kind of just hand tight, the bolt. But this one, I don't know if you can hear that well, but does not sound great. So we're gonna tighten this one to 20 foot-pounds. We're gonna take this one off, also tighten it to 20 foot-pounds, and then we'll get the belt back on. A couple of these are feeling kind of not great, so we'll eventually get to those ones, but for right now it'll do. Late Model Restoration has a thing online, and I'll put it up right here. Pretty much has all the engine torque specs. It is not 51. I don't stop listening to Google. It is 18 foot-pounds, so 20 foot-pounds was closer, but 18 foot-pounds. I went a little over 18, so I don't know. They should be good, but at least nothing stripped. But yeah, 18 foot-pounds. We got them both on there. Okay, my guard dog is, holy shit. Bo Duke! There's a fucking bear. Holy shit. Let's go. Yeah, inside now. Yep, we're going inside. Bo! Come on. Holy shit. No way. Come on, inside. Holy shit. Wait, I gotta get my phone. I wonder if I can see it on the camera. That motherfucker was so close. I thought I heard something in the woods, but thought it was a squirrel. Oh my god. I am not working outside without my gun right now. Holy. The dude was just chilling there. I gotta try him. Where's Milo? Where's Bo? Milo? Okay, he's under the bed. Oh, dude. Where are you? That was the biggest black bear I have ever seen in my entire fucking life. Bo. He's accounted for. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh, I want to see if that was on my camera. Jeez. All right, so I just looked at the cameras. You can see them. You can't see me like freak out, but hold on.
Restoration has a.
You just see him walk right through.
I'll put it up right here.
Oh.
18 foot-pounds. We got them both on there.
I'll just put it up. It'll be easier for y'all to see. What the?
Restoration has a thing online. I'll put it up right here. But yeah, 18 foot-pounds. We got them both on there.
Can I go outside again? Can I go out now? Yeah, Milo, you're gonna stay inside. Holy. He didn't want the smoke for sure, but dude went right in. He walked right here. Just walked right here, went straight over there. I was hearing something up there, but it must have been its babies or something. Well, maybe the neighbors seen him. Alright, no, I definitely he's still right. He's like moving around right over here. But that was cool, that was fun. But yeah, so these Daco ones, not Daco, they are, I'll throw up the part number. Right here we go. Littons. This is apparently what the AutoZone guy was saying was their advanced. This is pretty much Ford Motor Co. So if you're going to grab them, this is the part number you're definitely going to want. That's the Daco belt. Yeah, we'll get that on. We'll get her put back together. And then I'm still sketching out. Yeah. So I just heard a little girl scream, not like a crazy scream, and then I heard a mom say, "Go in the house." So the bear is definitely making its way up there. He's going up the neighborhood. He's chilling. I mean, he walked right by me. Like he just walked right by. I'm right here talking. Just walks right by the driveway, right by the dogs. Well, alright, so before you get it 100% on, this is pretty much how it's going to run. You can find some diagrams online, it'll be a little easier to see. But, got it around this side 100%, around this 100%, and then you're going to leave the AC compressor off. You're going to loosen up on your tensioner, and then just go around your AC pump, and you'll be good. So we're gonna go do that right now. Alright, so I was definitely wrong. Do them all. Do your AC. Leave your alternator one off, because when you loosen it up, it's a hell of a lot easier to do your alternator. But yeah, just come off the tensioner, and she's on. We're gonna 100% put this back together, and then actually I could probably do this one with one hand. Bam, that's on. That's on. That's on. Almost. And then, yeah, tighten it up. Slap this hose back in. Tighten it, and then she's good to start. Okay, so these right here are literally all the tools I used. One 8mm, one 13mm, 1/2-inch ratchet, and it's done. I think this took me maybe 30 minutes. And it's just it's that easy. It wouldn't have taken me 30 minutes, I don't think, if I didn't have that little run-in with the bear. But we are going to get her started and see how she runs. Why did it flip? Here we go. Running smooth, belt's good. Literally, like I swear, it took 30 minutes. That's it. That's all it takes. Yeah, so I kind of been slacking on. I've had a video I've wanted to go out for a while now, and I never really got around to it. I have some free time today, so maybe I'll look at it after this one goes out. But we hit a couple of cones at Lock City. Tore up my radiator. Actually, see if I can go find it. It's right over here. Tore up my radiator, tore up my AC, radiator, condenser, whatever the hell you want to call it. And it didn't have AC to begin with, so we just ripped her out. But let's see if we can spot the damage here. Oh yeah. That is not good. But did the radiator yesterday, came home from a little car meet, and then the pulleys went, but I don't know, $190, maybe $200 later, 30 minutes later, and running good as new. So it's definitely something y'all could do on your own. It's not a hard job at all. But yeah, I hope this video helps. I didn't really see a lot of good ones out there. So I don't know. I try to make a good video, but I'm no professional. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try and drop this other Lock City event video. You guys are gonna see that I have the Mustang before actually the Mustang release video comes out. So it is what it is, but hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next.